Nana is out for shopping. Today, I will make my own breakfast. Where is the coffee? Ah, here it is. I need coffee and eggs. First, I turn on the stove. Be careful with the fire. Now, I crack the egg. This is the hard part. Is this sugar? Yes, it looks like sugar. Let's add a big spoon. This is not sweet. Did I use salt instead of sugar? Oh no, the egg is breaking. Cooking is harder than it looks. Always check the labels, friends. Salt and sugar look the same. Finally, time to set the table. I am so hungry. Does the fork go on the left or the right? Let's put it here. I can't find the napkins. Oh, wait, they are right there on the counter. Remember, friends, we lay the table or set the table before we eat. Now, let's eat. It tastes delicious. Even though I broke the yolk, I am a good cook.
Oh my. Grandpa, did you cook all by yourself? The kitchen is a bit messy.
Yes, I made breakfast. I learned that cooking is hard work. I will help you clean up the mess now. Keep practicing English every day, friends.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. See you in the next video.